everybody. Dawn Miki here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And today I'm talking about community building and fostering connection, all of these things that are hallmarks of a really wonderful, fulfilling holiday season. And yet, sometimes we get caught up in the busyness of it all. The sales on Black Friday, the sales on Cyber Monday, buying the perfect gift for the people on our list, how to make sure that our clients are still supported, and what happens to us? Well, we often get short shrift, we often get thought of last, and by the end of the holiday season, we're curled up on the couch in a puddle just trying to breathe and get through the New Year's. So let's do something different this year, shall we? I firmly believe that you can foster connection and community and do it without the burnout. I've been talking about minimalist holidays, and that's certainly something to keep in your mind. So you don't have to do it all. You have to do the things that matter, and you have to do them in a way that matter to you and the people around you. Talking about community and connection, though, I want to talk about that as it pertains to your personal wellness, your family, your circle, and your business, because all of those are things that are important in your life. And if you can't, as they say, put the mask on yourself first and take care of your personal wellness, how can you take care of anybody else in any of your circles, in your family circles, in your community circles, and in your business circles? Maybe you can combine some things. Maybe you have an open house where you have family, friends, neighbors, and clients. It's a great way to expand everybody's community and have people make connections that they might not otherwise make. I think all too often we try to keep boundaries between different parts of our lives, and maybe that doesn't serve us. So I challenge you to think about reformulating and thinking differently about some of those boundaries. Now, some of those boundaries may be super important. Maybe you want to keep a very firm boundary between your work life and your personal life. And if that's intentional, absolutely go do that. On the other hand, maybe you don't. So these are things to think about. Maybe you can host a community class at a local Y or a school gym, and in that way combine your business community and your local community. There are so many different ways to get a little bit out of the box with your thinking and not do it in a way that taxes you to the point of breaking, because it's super important that you make it through the holiday season with happiness and joy, just like all of the people in your various circles too. So I hope that gives you a little bit of food for thought. I'll come back some more next week with some additional thoughts on the holiday season and making it through with joy and grace. And as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up any of the things that bring you joy. Until next time.